Wait! The money envelope is completely gone!
Check her bag. She's new and poor.
This money was hidden in your backpack.
I didn't do it. Please believe me.
Stop her! She's running away with...
Wait, what's actually happening right now?
The class trip money disappeared this morning.
Something about this whole thing feels wrong.
Eat quickly, we can't be late.
We've got plenty of time, love.
I can't wait to show my drawing today. I packed extra fruit for lunch today.
That's very thoughtful of you, sweetheart. Class, this is Emma. She just joined us.
Look at those clothes. How embarrassing for her.
Stop laughing. That's really not very kind. Nobody wants to sit with me today. Do you want to share my sandwich? Really? Thank you, that's very kind.
Lily, stay away from her. She's trouble.
We don't know that yet, Tom.
She probably stole something already. Just watch.
Thank you for being nice to me.
Please hand me your trip money now. Wait! The money envelope is completely gone!
Someone in this room definitely stole it! Check her bag. She's new and poor.
I need to look in your backpack, Emma.
Go ahead, I have nothing to hide.
This money was hidden in your backpack.
Don't sit near her, she's a thief.
See, Lily? I told you she did it.
Something doesn't add up here, Tom. Are you okay? Please don't cry, Emma. I promise, I never touched that money.
We must call your parents about this.
Wait, her backpack was left alone that morning. Oliver looked really nervous during the search. There's a camera right above the hooks.
That camera's been broken for 2 weeks.
Something about this whole thing feels wrong. Check the hallway before the bell rings.
Fine, but this better not take long.
Look, a receipt fell by the lockers. Her zipper broke before the money appeared.
Why are you two staring at me? You really think Oliver did this, Lily?
I'm not stopping until I know why.
My wallet is missing from my drawer.
It's obviously her again, just like before. She should be expelled after doing this twice.
Emma must be suspended starting this Monday.
Please wait, we don't have real proof.
Wait, why is Oliver hiding that envelope? Oh, this? It's just my lunch money. That didn't look like lunch money, though.
I just want everyone to believe me. We're going to prove your innocence, Emma.
Okay, fine. I'll help find the truth. There he goes, past the science lab.
Who is that boy he's talking to?
Did you see that? He just paid him.
Got it. I took a photo now.
What are you two doing there?
Let's search his desk during lunch break. There's a charger for a hidden camera.
Look, an empty memory card case too.
The actual memory card isn't inside it.
What are you two doing near my desk?
Nothing, Oliver. We were just leaving now. I'll leave this fake envelope on the desk.
My phone's recording from inside my bag.
Everyone, line up quietly for our lesson.
Nobody's here. Time to finish this quickly. Look, he's actually reaching for it now. No, my phone just died completely!
We only got half of what happened.
Nice try. Nobody will ever believe you. This isn't fair. We were so close.
No, we are not giving up now.
The entire charity box is missing now. This has gone too far. I'm calling police. An officer will investigate this by lunchtime.
Everyone knows exactly who's responsible, don't they?
Wait, there's a mirror by the office. That mirror reflects straight into the classroom. The hallway camera might have caught his reflection. Do you really think that could help?
I'm sorry I didn't believe you sooner.
Let's pull up this morning's hallway footage.
There, in the mirror, that reflection there.
That's Oliver, hiding something in his pocket.
He's placing money into Emma's open bag.
I can't believe I doubted you, Emma.
Bring Oliver Price to my office now.
I'm sorry. I never meant this to happen. I just wanted my parents to notice. They only care when I win something. I regret this more than anything I've done. Emma. I'm truly sorry for everything.
I hear you, Oliver. Thank you.
Emma, on behalf of the school, I apologize.
I should have looked closer, Emma. I'm sorry.
We're really sorry we believed the worst. I'm sorry I called you a thief.
Thank you all. I forgive every one of you. I'm so glad this is finally over. Thank you for believing me, Lily.
Emma, do you want to sit with us?
I'd really love to work with you.
If anyone bothers you again, tell me.
I'm really proud of how brave you were.
Lily Watson, please accept this Courage Award. Your courage reminded us what fairness means.
Thank you, Watson family, for never giving up.
I learned not to judge people quickly.
You should all be so proud today.
Absolutely. Let's celebrate with ice cream.
If you enjoyed this story,
Please subscribe and comment below. We read every comment. It means so much to us.